Welcome back, Loopers. It's Galina. DoorLoop receives Great Place to Work certification. DoorLoop is thrilled to announce its official certification as a Great Place to Work. The prestigious award is based entirely on what current employees have to say about the company's culture, community involvement, and their overall experience working at DoorLoop. 100% of DoorLoop employees said that the company is a great place to work. Compared to the national average of 59%, DoorLoop's positive responses demonstrate the company's commitment to making its team feel valued and appreciated. Great Place to Work is the leading authority on workplace culture, employee experience, and the leadership behaviors proven to deliver market-leading revenue, employee retention, and increased innovation. Receiving this recognition is a testament to the successful and positive culture that DoorLoop has been able to build in a relatively short time since its inception in 2019. Great Place to Work certification isn't something that comes easily. It takes ongoing dedication to the employee experience, said Sarah Lewis-Cullen, Vice President of Global Recognition at Great Place to Work. It's the only official recognition determined by employees' real-time reports of their company culture. Earning this designation means that DoorLoop is one of the best companies to work for in the country. We are overjoyed to be a Great Place to Work certified company, says CMO and co-founder David Baton. DoorLoop's team is the foundation of what we do. Every single member of the Looper family is so talented and hardworking. Being able to work with this team every day is reward enough, but this certification is an incredible recognition. A truly great place to work. DoorLoop's company culture places an emphasis on collaboration, accountability, and work-life balance. By offering unlimited paid time off with minimum time off guidelines to ensure that the benefit is utilized, DoorLoop encourages employees to live active, fulfilling lives outside of work. In addition to this, employees also receive healthcare, 401k with matching, state-of-the-art equipment including laptops, company credit cards with monthly stipends, and more. DoorLoop's community-mindedness manifests itself in the Loopers for Love program, under which 1% of the company's profits are donated to the Ronald McDonald House Charities. Team members receive an additional 20 hours of paid time off each year for community service and volunteering. According to Great Place to Work research, employees at certified workplaces are 93% more likely to look forward to coming to work and are twice as likely to be paid fairly, earn a fair share of the company's profits, and have a fair chance at promotion. At DoorLoop, making team members feel valued in terms of compensation, recognition, and personal development is a top priority, and it shows. Before I go on to talk more about Great Place to Work certification, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. About Great Place to Work certification. Great Place to Work certification is the most definitive employer of choice recognition that companies aspire to achieve. It is the only recognition based entirely on what employees report about their workplace experience, specifically how consistently they experienced a high-trust workplace. Great Place to Work certification is recognized worldwide by employees and employers alike, and it is the global benchmark for identifying and recognizing outstanding employee experience. Every year, more than 10,000 companies across 60 countries apply to get Great Place to Work certified. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more, check out our careers video. It's really fun. Also, if you want to see our current openings, check out doorloop.com/careers. The link should also be in the description. Thank you and have an amazing day.